Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah Haase, and I'm thrilled to be talking with you about the Microsoft 365 conference that's coming up in Orlando, Florida from April 28th to May 3rd, 2024. I'll be delivering a full-day workshop at the conference titled Driving Employee Engagement, a deep dive into Microsoft Viva, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. This workshop is really going to focus on the main themes around driving culture and employee engagement with ideation, rich employee dialogues for our employees, whether they're in-person, hybrid, remote, or a mixture of all three, and how the technology stack within Microsoft, including tools like Viva Connections, Viva Amplify, Viva Goals, Viva Engage, and all of the other Viva capabilities play into the use of SharePoint, Home Sites and Hubs, SharePoint News, as well as Microsoft Teams. So we're going to take a look at those themes about driving employee dialogue and engagement, and then we're going to connect them with the Microsoft technology stack that can help support, enable, and promote those efforts. I really hope I'll see you there.